Hello everyone, this is our 2-axis fully automatic CNC pipe bending machine, and it is equipped with 15-inch screen with IPC controller. IPC stands for Industrial PC, so this has a lot of functions. Here we can see the menu, which has a product library, so you can store up to many thousands of programs. Here is the programming interface, mainly with YBC. Here also you can see the 3D simulation of the workpiece. So after you input the desired distance between bending parts and the bending angle and the rotation angle here, so the product will be visualized here with the 3D. Next is manual mode, which is mainly used to troubleshoot the machine and also move each part of the machine independently. Next is automatic mode. Here in automatic mode, after you set up the program for bending, you can bend for batch production. Here it also showing the product 3D design, so it helps to understand which direction it is bending after the rotation, and what does it look like, the distance between bending and the bending angles. All of it is shown clearly, so this is one of the best advantages for the 2-axis machines on the market. We have these functions along with multiple languages. Here is English, Russian, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish, French languages. And we also can customize to add the new languages as per your requirement.